This wasn't clickbait, I get it. You're excited. You want to share this with people in your life, this new journey, this new venture you're going on. It's almost like giving everyone your business card, right? Essentially is what it is. But I can tell you that there are some big mistakes that happen when it comes to doing it. I would say it's a big mistake for me. I wish I would have known better than to do that. It kind of goes against your natural instinct, because what do people think when they first get a YouTube channel? They say, we need views. We need people to come and watch as many of my videos as possible. I don't care who it is, your uncle, your grandmother, your cousin, your sister, your brother-in-law, your sister on your cousin, uncle's side. Everyone come along, everyone come watch these videos. But it's like I talked about in my very first video here on this channel. Average view duration takes a massive hit if they watch the video and they don't buy into what the program, what the video is all about, right? Essentially buying into your program, getting on your team. They're going to watch the video because they're your parent or your friend, but I guess it all depends on what you're trying to do with your YouTube channel. If it's to start it as a business, you don't want the people who aren't going to be buying from your business, right? You want people who's going to potentially lead to a client. If you want the views, here's why it doesn't matter nowadays too, how YouTube has changed in 2025. Subscribers are really, do I even want to say this in this video? Subscribers are a vanity metric. Subscribers mean absolutely nothing. Why? And you guys, if you watch YouTube a lot, look at how many people you're subscribed to and you're not getting the notifications from them. A lot of people are getting buried because the YouTube algorithm has changed and the home screen has changed. The way that they lay out the UI of the home screen of YouTube now has changed. People are getting far less impressions than they were, I would say, 5 years ago. There was a massive boom that happened during COVID with YouTubers and content creating. And there will also be a correction, which is what you guys are seeing right now. What do? Do you just not create a YouTube channel? No, I wouldn't say that. It's like Gary Vee says every day is, it's like day trading attention. You're day trading eyeballs. So, of course you want to start a YouTube channel because it's a great lead. YouTube is owned by Google, right? If you want to be found on Google, you need a home base on YouTube because it's linked together. That's the parent company. Yahoo doesn't have a platform, if that's even still a thing. MSN, they don't have a platform like Google. So, of course you want to start one, but don't tell your friends and family about it. You know what you could do? If you're really excited, if you want, I tell this to my clients, there's a loophole. If you're really excited about the video and you want to share that with friends and family, send the actual video to your friends and family. But don't send them the YouTube link because you don't want to mess up your analytics. You want YouTube to find the audience for you and bring them to you. And it's usually strangers. I've coached people in, I don't know how many countries it is, 100 countries, has touched my website, has touched my YouTube channel. I didn't even know there's that many countries, but apparently it is. And if you bog down the system with people who won't watch as much of your content as possible, I mean, your friends and family they have access to you right already. They can call you up or come hang out with you. But I would not share it because of, the things I just mentioned before. You can do what you want to do, and I'm perfectly okay with that. This is just free advice. And it's also some advice that can really stop you from making the mistakes that I made. Like it bogged my channel down. So there was things that happened when it comes to shorts, when it comes to not finding a proper niche in my audience, just being kind of all over the place. I think I might have a little ADHD sometimes. And when it comes to sending my content to people who's gonna kill my watch time and not click through. Because you know what happens on YouTube is when they watch a video, right? Let's say your uncle watches a video and he's just doing it because he wants to support you. He's been a good loving uncle, right? And then YouTube shows on his home screen the next video. And it's not UFC or it's not whatever he normally watches. He's not going to click the video. And guess what that means? He didn't click through. Click-through ratio, you want it to be something above 5%, 10%. If you can be that good to get it to 10%, I need to be taking calls from you. I need to be calling you and getting coached by you. I can do it, but it takes a lot of research and a lot of understanding who your ideal audience is. But on average, I'm gonna be transparent. My other channel is 6%, 6-7% click-through. If you send your uncle that video and they say, oh, he watched the video, he must like whoever this creator is, and he doesn't watch it. Oh, we were wrong. We're not gonna send it to him anymore. And it's almost like you're starting from scratch. You know, you ever see like a car that's got impounded, or they got like the blocks on their wheels? Like you have like this anchor to your channel, and you want to make sure that you have things free flowing and you can keep moving forward as far as subscribers, watch time hours, views, whatever it is you want. But you can do what you want. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming by the channel again, and I'll see you in the next video.